Here's a new 2023 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Cadillac is driving the world forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.